Okay, y'all, I'm gonna be cooking 2 pieces of steak, one for each of us. I've already put my butter in my pan. The steaks were already seasoned, but I did go ahead and add just a little bit more of this prime steak seasoning, along with just a little bit more black pepper. So yeah, that's what's happening now. They're in the butter. Yep, that's going to be tonight's dinner, steak and potatoes. And the potatoes are smelling so delicious. Hope y'all had a great day, a happy Sunday. Church was wonderful today, and now it's time for us to get our feast on. I am starved. But yeah, I thought I'd go ahead and show you all the steak. Here in North Carolina, there's a place called Smith's Red and White, and we got a family pack of the ribeyes. That's what we're making today. Two ribeyes coming up. How do y'all like your steak? What cut of steak do you like? Let me know in the comments, y'all. Hey, if you're enjoying the video thus far, go ahead and give me a like. Comment what piece of steak you guys prefer. Hit that subscribe button, guys. Hit the subscribe button and be sure to share. Keep watching. It's such a gorgeous day. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day. Can't ask for any better weather than it is today. Not too humid, the sun is out, it's just absolutely gorgeous. I know y'all probably saying, Miss Keitha, leave the steak alone. Leave it alone, but I have to constantly check. I know you're not supposed to flip too much, but it's just what I do, guys. It's just me. Hey, as long as we all get the same end result, right? A good steak, in my case, cooked well. How I hear some people say, just here in my kitchen. I do it my way over here. So yeah, it's about 3 o'clock. I'm standing in here cooking steak and potatoes on a Sunday, y'all. Sometimes you just get tired of going out. At least I do, and I just rather prepare my own food. So that's what we're doing today. Cooking up these ribeyes. I'm going to add a little bit more seasoning. I don't want it to be too salty. Just a little. A little bit more black pepper, guys. I love my pepper. Throw in a little over. Why not? Why not? kind of nice, or it's a good habit to kind of tidy up as you're going along. That way you don't have so much to do when you finish cooking. And you can sit down and enjoy, and then when you're done, you don't have that much to do. I'm going to put a little bit more butter in here, guys. So yes, I'm not using real butter. I'm using, I can't believe it's butter. Because your girl got tummy issues. So this is what I use. And y'all, in my opinion, you really can't tell the difference. It gets the job done. And I don't have to worry about being sick with it. Go ahead and throw in some onions. We could have cooked these steaks out on the grill today. They were saying we were supposed to get rain. And of course, they're wrong again. Go ahead, y'all. Hit that subscribe button. Drop in the comments what part of steak you like. These are ribeyes that I'm cooking today. What do you like? Porterhouse, T-bone? Are you a ribeye person? How do you like it? Medium rare? Well done? I don't know if I'm just anxious. It seems like this is taking forever. Y'all see the potatoes over here? They smell so good. I'm going to go ahead and put this other one in the freezer. Save that for a little bit. Okay, you know what? Let me put some foil on it. Y'all keep watching the steak now. Make sure I don't get any freezer burns. There we go. Alright, thank y'all. Keeping an eye on my steak. Come on, baby. Y'all see dessert? Got some chocolate brownies and my monogram. I don't know what is it, a bowl of, well, anyway, from my boss, Miss Robin, I think it was the last Christmas or year before. But yeah, this is really nice. It's monogram. So you know, like how sometimes you go to different events and you have to take your own personal items out. Guess what? Nobody can claim this, guys. So that's dessert. Let's get back to this steak. Oh, come on. Almost there. Almost. I tell you, these potatoes, oh, they smell amazing. Video's not about potatoes, but they just smell so good, y'all. I wish you all could smell this. It smells so good. Can you hear that? Yep, it's about to go down in Keitha's Kitchen. Hey, if you're new, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Channel name, Kietha space T. Y'all let me know. Did you like the cooking videos? Let me know what kind of steak you like. Do you like the T-bone? What's the other one? Porterhouse? Or are you ribeye? These are ribeyes. These are looking absolutely delicious. These babies are about done. You know, I should put them in the oven. Typically put them in the oven and let them get that little. See how long it takes. Yeah, you put them in the oven for just a little bit. Yeah, I don't like to see any blood in my steaks. I like my steaks medium well. No. This smells so good. You know what? I don't think I'm gonna have to do that. I mean, it does make a difference, but maybe, you know, I don't think I'm gonna have to do that today. Now look at that. I'm already getting a little scared, so no, we're gonna skip that part. Baby, this is looking really good. That's it, y'all. Steaks are done. There you have it, my good people. 2 ribeyes. So if you enjoyed watching the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And y'all know what I'm going to say. Be blessed.